Ready? So you're going to take out the mouthpiece. Looks like this. And you're going to hold it so that the mouthpiece is to your left.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. So next you're going to take it and then plant your lips, like in the middle. So it's like in the middle. And then roll. So it covers your bottom lip, will cover about a fourth to a third of it. And then you want to blow air across. There you go. Yes. Good. Now take it away. Try again.
Plant and roll first.
Plant and roll. Sometimes it's kiss and roll. Yeah. She's such a natural, Liz.
Yay!
Okay, so how about we put it together now?
Okay.
So you're gonna take the middle joint, which is
The
the
big
long
one?
piece, yes. Yeah, in case I knock mine over. And you're gonna stick it where the words are.
The words?
Like the Yamaha. The other side.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. And it's gonna line up with the
And it's gonna line up
mouthpiece.
with a circle.
Oh, I see.
There's like a little arrow
Yeah, I see it.
that lines up with the circle.
Okay.
And that's the middle joint.
Okay.
This is exciting. So then take the end joint or the foot joint. This is the foot joint. And you put it on the other side. And the middle rod is going to line up in the middle of the keys.
Okay. So it's like, oh, I see.
Yep. There you go. Awesome. So you're going to put your hands, your thumb key is on this side.
Okay.
Awesome. So that's where your left thumb is going to go. And your first finger is going to go on this key. And that's the B flat key. And then you're going to skip a key. Second finger, third finger. And then your first finger is going to go on the F key. So it's like two keys, one. And then, yep. So you don't want to curl your pinky in either. Because you need that.
Oh, I need
on the-
those. Oh wow, this is so complicated.
It is. But it is.
Do people actually reach that? Or no?
These are controlled by these.
Oh, I see.
Yes. So, and your pinky's going to stay on this key basically the entire time. It's a tunage thing. So how about we try playing a B flat? This one you don't have to necessarily put down, just kind of hover over that one. So B flat is 1 thumb octave key,
Uh huh.
1, 4.
1, 4. Wait, no. 1, 4.
Oh.
Wait. I'm lost.
So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you got it right here.
1.
And this is the B.
Okay, so 1 thumb. And this is gonna be.
Yeah, this just kind of hovers over the keys.
Okay.
And 1, 4.
Okay.
So 1 thumb, 1, 4. Yeah.
Okay.
And when you're holding it, you want a C shape with your hands. So the content point would be here,
Oh.
your thumb, and you don't want it doing this because it would start to get uncomfortable and tendonitis will develop, and that's not fun.
That's bad.
That is bad. And then the third contact point is your chin. So you want to plant and roll again, and then blow. Try the point. You're almost there.
I lost it. Hold on. Is it that high?
There you go.
Hold on. Oh my god.
So you don't want your cheeks to puff out either. You're kind of like. Keep your cheeks in. There you go. So your air creates the aperture, which is the opening in your mouth. As well. Yeah, there you go.
But it's too high, right? It's the wrong
Yeah.
octave.
For a lower note, less air.
Oh.
Or more air, but like slower air, I guess. could like stick your palm out, and then you could blow air into your palm, like,
I need to lift
and
it
move
up.
it up and down.
And what does it need to be, like straight forward?
Like downward, but across. So not
Okay.
directly in, but like across the whole terminal. So try the plan again.
Got it. We got this. Hold up. Ah! I heard it a little.
It was a little bit. You're getting there. There you go. Yes.
Yes.
Let's try again. The embouchure is the trickiest thing. Nice. Can you keep it steady though?
Without like.
Like going in and out, it's like.
Yes, let me try.
So 1, 1, forward.
Hold on.
See that plan? So a little wider aperture.
What's aperture?
The opening of your mouth.
Oh.
That's what the air creates when you're blowing out.
So cool.
Try the plant and roll one. So you want to cover a third and blow across. There you go.
Yeah, I felt it.
You feel the difference from blowing down and
Mhm.
across. Yeah. Try the point roll again.
Okay.
There you go. You got it.
Nice.
You want to try an A?
Yeah.
Alright, so A, you're just going to put your second finger down,
So
but
A.
keep the fourth finger down and take the first finger out.
Hold on.
Plant roll will be your best friend.
Hold on. Wait, hold on.
Close. So plant and roll and see if you can get a sound from that way, and then remember that feeling that you
Mhm.
had. Close. Fingers around the keys. Bow. There you go. There's hints of it being there.
Huh?
There's hints of it being
Yeah,
there.
I can hear it. It's really cool.
Yeah. You just have to be practicing. So what have we learned, Liz?
How to put it together?
Yes. What's the top joint called?
Mouthpiece.
There's a mouthpiece on it, yes, but it's called the
Head.
head joint. This one?
Middle.
Middle, this one?
End.
End or
Foot.
foot joint. How do you line up this to the
The rod goes with the keys.
yes. And how do you
Oops.
do your embouchure? What's
stop
your
in a
best?
row.
There you go. Awesome. And what are the 3 notes you learned?
Hold on, let me just gather them up right here. B,
B what?
flat.
B flat.
This is B flat.